Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm happy to introduce to you our new series, Under 30 Minutes. This is where we actually show you how to cook recipes under 30 minutes. In this first episode, we're going to teach you how to cook sweet soya chicken or Swiss chicken. So to begin with, we will start with the cutting of some of the aromatics. Okay, these are spring onions, and we'll just take the rotten part first. Keep this green, and we cut into 1 inch. Okay, set aside. Now we have 4 cloves of garlic. Slightly mash it. Take off the skin. Set aside. Now we prepare the ginger. We need about 4 to 5 slices of ginger. We just peel off the skin. Off the skin. Okay, we cut into slices. Okay, 4 to 5 pieces. Alright, next we have the chicken wings here. So I have 8 pieces of chicken wings. So now I'm going to cut this into sections. This is the tail that we will not use it to cook. These are the pieces that we want. Do not discard all this. You can keep it and freeze them for making stocks later on. Okay, now we're going to start cooking. Okay, heat up the wok. Okay, we have some peanut oil here. Just add about a tablespoon of peanut oil. Make sure your pan is coated with oil. Okay, next, the ginger goes into the pan, garlic, and the white part of the spring onions. Okay, now you stir. Fry until it's aromatic. Once you can smell the aroma, you put in the chicken wings. You don't need to put in a lot of oil because the chicken wings actually has some fats and oil here that will be melted into the pan while you're cooking this. Smells so good, right? Okay, we're gonna make sure that it's golden brown before we turn over the chicken wings. Use a little bit of oil if you do this dry. Because I'm using the kampung chicken, so they have less oil, but more tasty. Turn golden brown. Nice and golden brown. Okay, once it's done, what you do is add in the sauce, dark soy sauce, the light sauce, and about 30 grams of rock sugar. The usage of the rock sugar is to actually give your chicken wings a shiny surface after cooking. It has a glossy surface after that. Wow, it smells good. So get all your chicken wings coated with the sauce. Once it's coated, add in some good homemade stock. Bring it to boil. And don't forget your anise seeds, 2 pieces to go with. Okay, now we cover it and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Alright. If you're like me, I'll set a timer for 20 minutes. Stop now. Okay, while waiting, maybe what we can do is just prepare some of these spring onions. Cut it. Garnishing later on. Okay. Some coriander. Set it aside for garnishing later. Okay, we can lower the temperature a bit, and then just make sure you actually turn it around in case it's stuck on the bottom of your wok. The chicken wings are stuck on the bottom of your wok, so you just once in a while you just open it up and check. Wow, smells so good. Okay, let me look at these chicken wings. They are all ready to be devoured. Yes. Yum. Okay. Now I'm gonna dish this out. And you garnish with those chopped onions and coriander. And the dish is ready.
Thank you for watching this episode of Under 30 Minutes. If you want the full recipe, it is on our website, link in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe and turn on post notifications to stay tuned for our next few episodes. Bye!